What's up guys? In this first ever 2-minute Tuesday we're going to be learning how to improvise over a minor song using a major scale. So play that intro and hit the clock. Hit the clock? Hit that clock! I don't think that's... no. So if we had a minor song or a minor chord progression such as this, the first thing we need to know is the key it's in. And hopefully, since you know it's in a minor key, you're going to know what the actual key is. So this chord progression is in the key of A minor, but we want to improvise over it using a major scale. So it's actually quite a simple process. All we need to do is work out the relative major of A minor. And to do this, we play the note A, since it's in the key of A minor, and we just count up 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. We get to the note C, and this tells us that the relative of A minor is C major, meaning that we can use the C major scale to improvise over this A minor chord progression. So let's just make sure it works. So that definitely fits, and you can now use this major scale to solo over the minor chord progression. So one more super quick example. If we had a chord progression in the key of D minor, we play the note D, count up 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3, we get the note F. Therefore, we can use the F major scale to improvise over this D minor chord progression. Also, if you want to learn more about that first chord progression I was using earlier as an example, I've got an entire lesson on it which I'll put a link to up at the top now. So that is 2 minutes. If you enjoyed this style of video and want to see more, then you can think about becoming a member over at the PianoPig Academy, where you will find a 2-minute video just like this, released every single Tuesday. I can't wait to see you inside the Academy.